Miracle.
Yes, Auntie.
Come out, your lesson teacher is here.
Why is your face like this now?
Oh, you better say what you want to say.
I don't want peace.
I hope we end this lesson in peace.
I want problems always.
But wait, what's the difference between a bird and a fly?
Uncle, it's very simple now.
Say it.
A bird can fly, but a fly cannot bend.
A bird can fly, but a fly cannot bend. How?
No accident. Lesson closed.
Jesus.
Is this time for lesson? Uncle John Blue.
Jesus! Jesus!
Me, Uncle John.
You only you waka come.
God have mercy upon us.
It's alright. No problem. I rest my case. Don't come my.
It is smoky book.